Did you just... Yeah, I heard. Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Kyle, stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
What are you doing?
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Raggy! Stop! No, no, no,
Wait, why are orange cats actually insane? Here's something wild that most people don't know about orange cats. They're literally built different. And I'm not being dramatic. There's actual science here. Orange cats have a genetic predisposition that affects their behavior in measurable ways. It's not a coincidence that orange cats are known for being stupid, dramatic, and unhinged. It's actually encoded in their DNA. The orange color comes from a gene called pheomelanin. This gene is located on the X chromosome. In male cats, which only have one X chromosome, if they inherit the orange gene, they're fully orange. But here's where it gets interesting. The genes that control coat color are very close to the genes that control certain behavioral traits. So when a cat inherits the orange color gene, it often inherits behavioral traits that come packaged with it. Scientists have actually studied this and found that orange cats tend to have different neurochemical profiles compared to other colored cats. Their brains literally process information slightly differently. This isn't just coincidence. This is biology. Now, let's talk about testosterone. Male orange cats make up about 80% of all orange cats. Female orange cats are much rarer because they need 2 copies of the orange gene. Male cats have more testosterone naturally, and orange male cats specifically have been shown in studies to have higher levels of certain hormones that affect aggression and boldness. This doesn't mean they're aggressive in a dangerous way. It means they're more likely to be bold, reckless, and dramatic. They're more likely to do stupid things. They're more likely to overreact. They're more likely to be fearless in the dumbest ways possible. A regular cat sees a cucumber and gets startled. An orange cat sees a cucumber and acts like it's being murdered. A regular cat gets picked up and tolerates it. An orange cat gets picked up and acts like it's being tortured. This is literally hardwired into their brains by hormones. They can't help being dramatic. They're genetically programmed to be unhinged. But there's more. Orange cats also tend to have slightly different brain structures compared to other cats. Specifically, the parts of the brain that control impulse inhibition and risk assessment are slightly different. This means orange cats are literally worse at thinking before they act. They see something and they do it immediately without considering consequences. A normal cat thinks, should I jump from this high place? An orange cat just jumps and figures it out on the way down. A normal cat thinks, is this a good idea? An orange cat does it first and never thinks about it. This isn't stupidity. Well, it kind of is, but it's not a behavioral choice, it's a neurological difference. Their brains are wired to prioritize action over analysis. This is why orange cats do the most insane things. Their brains are literally telling them to be chaotic. Scientists have actually measured differences in neurotransmitter levels in orange cats compared to other colored cats. They have more dopamine in certain brain regions, which makes them crave stimulation and action more intensely. This explains why orange cats are always doing something crazy. Now, let's talk about socialization and learned behavior. Even though orange cats have genetic predispositions, they also learn from experience. But here's the thing. Orange cats learn differently than other cats. They're more likely to take risks and test boundaries because their impulse control is lower. So they end up in more situations that reinforce their crazy behavior. A regular cat gets hurt once and avoids the danger. An orange cat gets hurt multiple times and still doesn't learn. They just keep doing the same stupid thing over and over. This creates a cycle. The genetic predisposition makes them take more risks. Taking more risks puts them in more situations. More situations reinforce the behavior. Over time, this creates orange cats that are absolutely unhinged. They're not just born dramatic, they're trained by their own bad decisions to be even more dramatic. It's a feedback loop of chaos. Here's the final piece. Orange cats have been selected for these traits over generations. Most orange cats are male. Male cats are more likely to survive if they're bold and aggressive because they compete for territory and mates. So over thousands of years, the boldest, most aggressive orange males survived and passed on their genes. The ones that were cautious and careful were less likely to win fights and secure territory, so they were less likely to pass on their genes. This means orange cats today are literally descended from the craziest, most unhinged orange cats of the past. They're the product of natural selection favoring chaos and boldness. So when you look at an orange cat doing something absolutely ridiculous, you're looking at the result of millions of years of evolution selecting for maximum drama and minimum impulse control. Orange cats aren't broken. They're optimized for chaos. They're perfectly designed to be unhinged. They're the product of nature saying, let's make a cat that does whatever it wants and doesn't care about consequences. And that's exactly what we got, a creature of pure chaos. So next time you see an orange cat being absolutely insane, remember, it's not the cat's fault. It's literally in their DNA. If you have an orange cat, you're basically living with a tiny furry chaos agent. And honestly, that's kind of amazing. Like and subscribe for more crazy pet facts. Thanks for watching.